everybody, today we are going to be making this paper airplane, and I wanted to test it out with y'all so y'all can see if y'all want to make it with me or not. So here we go. Okay everybody, first it's time to make the paper airplane. First thing is the paper. You don't really need any type of paper. As long as it's not squared, you can pretty much make this. Okay, so first you want to fold the whole paper in half. Now unfold it, but don't undo this crease. Keep it as it is. And then get the corner and move it over here and line it up with the crease that we just made. And then do the same thing with the other side. Okay, after that, you're gonna get the tip right here and fold it down like this. Okay, after you have done that, flip the whole thing over. And you see these edges? Get those and line them up with this crease here. And do the same thing on the other side. Okay, after you've done that, flip it back over and fold it in half, like this. Okay. After you fold it in half, get this and open it up and make sure there's still another side and fold that down like this. And do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, now that we've gotten that, back here you get the tips and pull them up and fold them. And do the same thing on the other side. Okay, after that, you get right here, you grab that, and you get these and pull on them a little to make it flat. And after you've done that, you see back here how these are still flat? You're gonna want to bend those back a little until they're standing up straight. Okay, now that you've got that, you're done. Please consider subscribing and have a good day.